Welcome to DDUH Library, how to find an article on a topic. Scopus is a large multidisciplinary database that will help you find journal articles on a specific topic. Like many other databases, it does not include the full articles, but may have links to them. Scopus is a subscription database available to our TCD-affiliated staff and students only. To access Scopus, go to Google and search for TCD Library. Select Library of Trinity College Dublin. Enter Scopus in the Stella search and click Go. Select TCD affiliated readers, click here. You will need to enter your TCD login details and click Login. You will arrive at this search screen. My sample topic today is going to be what are the effects of smoking on dental health. The three key concepts are smoking, dental health and effects, with the first two being the most important. I will start searching for our first concept, smoking, and its related alternative terms. Smoking or cigarettes or tobacco. Click Search. To add the second aspect, you have two options. Either search each one individually and then combine, or add a search field. We are going to add a second line by selecting Add Search Field. This allows us to enter all the alternatives for the dental health part of the search. Dental health, or oral health, or caries, or gingivitis, or periodontitis, or mouth cancer, or oral cancer, or mouth neoplasms. For general health topics, always also consider more specific ones that are part of this topic. Make sure you use quotes for phrases. We have the option to combine the two lines with and or. Since we want both aspects in our results, we'll use and. Click Search. We have a large number of results. The number of results will depend on the topic and the search terms chosen. If you have too few results at this stage, go back to the previous searches at the top of the screen and consider which alternative terms you can add. Run the search again to test. Searching often includes a good bit of experimentation. In our case, I will add a third concept of effects and will also be using search filters on the left of the search results. Add search field. There are a lot of potential alternative terms for effects, especially for general terms. It's important to include as many as possible, as otherwise we may be missing important literature. Effect or effects or result or results or resulting or cause or causes or causing or outcome or outcomes. Click Search. Next, we are going to look at the filter options to the left of the result. Limiting to English is always recommended for regular college projects. Limiting by year can also be useful, but it depends on the topic. In this case, we will limit to the last 5 years, 2020 to 2025, for demonstration purposes. Subject area is not usually a helpful filter that we would recommend. Document type can also be a useful filter. In this example, we are going to limit to article and review. You can also exclude types, but you should only use one or the other within a single search. Since we've already decided to limit to some filters, we are going to limit rather than exclude types here. You can sort the remaining articles by relevance. This will give you the most relevant articles first. Do not expect all results to be relevant. It's a balance to find key articles and not too many irrelevant ones. If your search was not successful, look back at the concepts and keywords used. To find full text directly from Scopus, follow the blue TCD button. If available, you will then be able to download or link to the article. For any articles not available, check DDUH Library for the journal title or request it from DDUH Library via the article request form. You can also save searches and set search alerts. To do so, you must sign in or create a free personal account. If you already have an Elsevier account for another type of resource, for example Science Direct or Embase, use the sign-in button. If you have never used this facility before, create an account. This will allow you to save searches and set search alerts. For further help, please see our other how-to videos or contact us in DDUH Library. Bye!